you need to transplant some of your annuals because they're not in the right space, you take a trowel and you get next to the side of where it is and dig down and pry up and go around the plant to make sure you get all of the existing root system you can, and then you gently lift it out of the ground, root system and all. Once you're to the place where you want to plant it, if there's mulch there, you need to scrape the mulch away and dig a hole the size of the plant root ball that you have in your hand. Keep the soil level even with the soil level on the plant and gently plant it in place. When you're done, put the mulch back over and around it.